Lena wanted to learn English, but not because she liked studying. She wanted to learn because she felt left out. One day, Lena was waiting for a bus. There was a big sign at the bus stop. It had many English words on it. Other people read the sign quickly. They understood it. Lena did not. She knew a few English words, like hello and thank you, but she could not understand the full message. She felt confused and embarrassed. When the bus came, she missed it. She went home feeling sad. That night, Lena opened an English app on her phone. The lesson was very easy. My name is Lena. I am from my country. She felt silly. This is too easy, she thought. After a short time, she closed the app. She told herself, I will study tomorrow. But tomorrow came and she did not study. A week passed. English felt difficult. It felt big and heavy. Lena thought she was not smart enough. She thought English was only for other people. One evening, Lena watched videos on her phone. She saw a short video of a woman speaking English. The woman said, I was bad at English before. I made many mistakes. That is okay. You must try, even if you sound bad. Lena listened carefully. The next day, she opened the English app again. This time, she made a small plan. 10 minutes a day, she said. That is enough. At first, nothing changed. Lena forgot words. She said words wrong. She mixed up simple things. Sometimes she wanted to stop. She thought, I am too slow. But she continued, 10 minutes every day. No more, no less. After some time, small things happened. She heard an English song and understood one sentence. She watched a movie and understood a few words without subtitles. One day, she answered a question in English without thinking in her language first. She smiled. It felt good. Not every day was easy. One day, Lena went to a cafe. She wanted to order in English. Her sentence was wrong. The worker did not understand her. Lena felt very shy. Her face became hot. She wanted to leave, but the worker smiled and said, It's okay, say it again. Lena tried again, slowly, with mistakes. This time, the worker understood her. Lena walked home feeling proud. She was not perfect, but she tried, and it was enough. Lena understood something important that day. English was not about being perfect. English was about trying. Every mistake meant she was learning. Every wrong sentence meant she was brave. Months passed. English became part of Lena's life. She studied a little every day. She listened, she read, she spoke when she could. Sometimes she still felt afraid, but she did not stop. One day, Lena stood at the same bus stop again. There was a new sign. It was in English. She read it. She understood it. Lena smiled. She remembered the day she felt lost and small. She remembered how English felt impossible. Now, English was not scary. It was not a wall. It was a door. And Lena knew how to open it.